smoke. They're burning plantation next door. I closed the balcony door, left the fan on. I can't open the windows with or without the smoke. Bitter God. Yesterday doctor said she likes bitter. Aiyo, soft already lah. See lah. Cannot already lah. It's ice. I just show her lah. This one seems okay. I hate to unnecessarily throw away food. I'm not saying I never throw away food. Sometimes I eat, I really can't finish. It's been in the fridge for too long, leftovers. But someone asks and then I buy and then it's wasted. It hurts me. No sign of doctor. Tomorrow morning we'll leave at 9. Stop at Daddy's. He's got 2 t-shirts for me. One Songkla, Thailand, and some cashew nuts. Can share the cashew nuts with doctor. Pity Mummy is not here. She loves cashew nuts. But I can order online and have it delivered to KL. Do that. Must ask her first. Check the quality. All that has to be checked. Roy. தூக்கமே வருது ரோய். தூக்கமே வருது. கோவிட் மறுபடியும் ஒரு அண்ணா அடிக்குது. பின்னாங்களா எப்படி இருக்கு? பின்னாங்களா நிறைய பேர் மாஸ்க் போடுறாங்க. மழைக்காரங்க கூட மாஸ்க் நிறைய குறைக்கிறாங்க. நிறைய பேர் மாஸ்க் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க இப்போ. ஆமாம் ஆமாம், நீங்கள் இப்போதான் தெரியுது மாஸ்க் போடுறீங்கன்னு. அப்புறம் அதுதான் ரொம்ப இடத்துல கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தாக்குதா. ஆமாம், மாஸ்க் திருப்பி போடணும். கோவிட் இஸ் பேக். Not like it's left, but see Roy is wearing a mask. Then you see the smoke. That's what I was talking about. Hillary and Rumi were wearing masks that day as well. Sunway Hotel. A lot of other people were also wearing. Tomorrow we're going to the temple. Let's keep the library windows closed. I must remember my mask. Why don't you just take a few and put it in your bag? I must remember to do that. And then that vaccine, what was it? Astra something. The one I had. Now you're talking about side effects, and all those vaccines have been pulled back, right? Which one? I don't remember. Oh yeah, can't be worrying about everything. Just live 1 hour at a time. Sometimes even 1 hour at a time seems a lot. Just live while we have life in us. Don't go out of our way looking for problems. Doctor, good evening. Egg be same color again. Last week also same. Nah, doctor come and show you. Just now only the bitter gourd. Just now I go to 13, take. I don't know can eat or not, you see. From the fridge. Soft. Can. Okay. Put here after you take, Just now only I went to take. Thank you for taking. If not, I must throw. Don't want to throw. I took the bananas. Talk about your pen. Don't know. Cook. Can keep until Saturday. The skin. Peel the skin. I don't want to open the window. The smoke. Yesterday I ordered one cake. Marble cake. My birthday. One take go give your pen, give them eat. You together me go lah. June 4. June. My birthday. You together. I order already. Is Saho give me. She stay B block Melbourne. Saho she give me. See her morning. Be early go. Pai Tuesday. Pai is public holiday. Agong birthday, our king. A lot public holiday. Tomorrow public holiday. Raya Haji, June public holiday, 2 days. Hungry, not angry. Angry ki hong lah. Now you make me angry. Hungry. Together take go lah. Go. I want to go early give. Then they breakfast. They can cut. Eat. No need wait. Tea time. They eat breakfast also not so early. We can early go lah, 8:30 also can go mah. We not go inside, we go give only. Can mah. We go give them. I want order fruit cake. I remember your pen like to eat fruit cake. But now she don't do fruit cake. Christmas time, then only she do. Okay lah, I say marble cake lah. I say don't want sweet. Got elderly people. After they got diabetes, I said don't want sweet. We go.